So my E90 failed me the other day. It got stranded in the middle of the road. A car suddenly just lost power. The I cannot like accelerate. If I press the pedal, nothing would happen. So it just stopped there in the middle of the road. Engine is still running though, so I turned it off, and then when I turned it off I tried starting it. It wouldn't start, which is weird. So it wouldn't start. I tried restarting it and it's still failing. So what I did is I opened this up and then pulled the eccentric sensor over there. I don't know how it happened, but it's in the middle of the road, which is nuts. I was able to like just grab this end and pull that connector over there. So I think my eccentric sensor is actually bad, and that's one way actually to get out of the stalling or engine losing power. There's no indicator that the engine is half power. It's just like you press on the throttle, nothing happened. You turn on the car, try to restart it, it will not start at all. It will just crank, but will not start. So I'm going to try see if disconnecting that sensor will not cause any check engine light. So if you disconnect that sensor, the eccentric sensor, it wouldn't actually cause any check engine light, and you could actually start the vehicle. So I don't know what will happen if let me see if it will cause any changes on my gas mileage or what. Let's see what's my gas mileage right now. 16.3 miles per gallon. So we'll see how bad it will affect the mileage on my car, or the gas mileage. So I think I'm better off disconnecting it for a while. Because the car starts fine without it connected. Yep. And my blower fan is chirping. It's cold today. So, yep, 65 degrees.